Just saw a fox next to the RV. He's a pretty big one too. I don't know if I should go out here though. Came through here. Came through here. Right by this trailer. I think he ran back there. We see him a lot, but I've never seen him that close. No, I missed him. God, he's pretty. And he's big. Or she, I don't know. Yeah, it came right through here. I was sitting right in there. And it came through here. Out in the backyard. He comes through every day, but he's never come this close. From what I know. Wow, I'm going to keep my eye out more for him. Before the sun comes over here, I'm going to do some oxidation work on the RV. I'm going to start from the top here. Get this stuff, this compound that I'm going to buff on. And then I get this other Maguire's wax that I've had for a while to protect it. As you can see, it looks pretty bad. Let's get started. Can a difference be seen? Sorry for the bird noise. It's not as shiny as I would like it to be, but it is way better. It is a lot better. I do not have a regular buffer. I just have this orbital. It just vibrates, but it should do just as good a job, I would think. I don't want a high-speed buffer on here. I just want it to look a little better and then put a protective coat of wax on it. Is all I really needed to do. It doesn't have to be perfect. So while I'm buffing this out, I also check for any seals that are exposed. Might be one there. It's not, but I might put something there anyways. Everything looks good. I've been very lucky. Just gonna keep on top of it. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. I condition all the rubber a couple times a year. So I've been doing my annual cleaning of the RV. I try to do it in the morning when it's still cool out and I don't have to compete with the sun. I don't want the sun beating down on the area that I'm doing. I'm concentrating on the upper area first, the areas that are bad, up top and in front. As you can see, I've already done this part here and up on the roof. Now the bad part is going to be this right here. All them bugs. It's pretty weathered up there. You can see it's turned white up there. I did part of it up above the lights. But over the next week or so I'm going to get this cleaned up before our trip to Michigan and before I'm laid up with my hernia surgery, which is coming up the end of August. So that's the update. Oh, and then we got this, Lisa's always been wanting one of these hammock swings, or chairs, so I got it for all these, 50 bucks. Good deal. She loves it. She spent all day in it yesterday. Anyway, she's up babysitting up north for a few days. I'm getting some stuff done. Alright, see you in the next video.